Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm participating in an annual challenge called Organization DIY and Decor Challenge 2019, and this is hosted by Christine, already DIY Mummy, and I hope you enjoy. If you're not familiar with her channel, I will leave a link below. It's one of those big accounts in YouTube, in home decor community, and she is a very talented DIY Canadian lady. Go and have a look at please after watching this video. Now let's go upstairs and I will share my craft room. I always hang my art until they are sold. Two of them in the middle, empty spaces means I sold a couple of the large ones. I still need to paint and hang new paintings up. And this is my landing, mirror and LED lights. The theme is pinks and purples, and that's my bedroom, and opposite to that my little son's old room now is my craft room. As you can see, my craft room is really a hot mess at the moment. Lately I have been so busy with schoolwork, YouTube challenges, as well as my own artwork challenge, 30 paintings in 30 days. So I was looking at my canvases situation, took out loads of them from garage, from cupboards, from tabs, and it is just dumping ground really. I need to sort it out, put things away, purge items. I even rolled up the rug because I was using the floor for large paintings. This is my marking I have to do. I have a lot of things to do, including sorting this room out. And the result. It took me several hours to sort things out, but I'm very pleased with the results. On the shelf I have this new plant which is adorable. The plant itself is from Sainsbury's and the pot is from HomeSense, and this little frame is from IKEA, and I stuck believe stickers on. The box underneath is from HomeSense and it has my sewing kit inside. This adorable pincushion was a present from a student of mine, and the tulip painting was back in the day when I did still painting and then moved towards abstract later. This little sign from HomeSense really motivates me whenever I'm working in this room. When I saw this office organizing set in the Range store, I couldn't believe as it was the same shade as my wall. I bought more marble items to match this set later on, and it's really perfect, providing me nice storage as well as decor details. All these storage boxes are from HomeSense, and they are perfect for storing little bits and pieces in a stylish way. And this lamp is from HomeSense. When I saw this cable, I just had to come home with me. It's perfect for this room. It's pink with a marble stand. On the other side of this mom cabinet, I placed some decor items to make this room cozier and more beautiful, as this room doubles up as a guest room whenever I have people to stay. This was another DIY for DIY Mommy's channel last spring, I believe, and it houses this beautiful flower that my son's girlfriend gave me. I hang this series of paintings called Cocktails. two small ones on one side and a large one on top of the sofa, and they really match well with the other side of the wall. Love My Art Cushion is one of my paintings, and I printed on a velvet cushion. Is just perfect, and it was very affordable, but unfortunately that website closed down, so I cannot get it printed anymore. Lighting doesn't do the justice. It's a beautiful painting, this rug. It's small and sparkly, and I bought it from HomeSense children's section. This mom chest of drawers from IKEA was an IKEA hack DIY. I painted in white using chalk paint and used HomeSense mirror balls to add a touch of glam, which is what I was after. I placed a mirror which was perfect depth, but it wasn't the right length, but I left it so it acts like a design feature. I couldn't find all of them matching, so I mismatched all the drawers, and it looks even better actually this way. In 30 Paintings in 30 Days challenge, the first big theme was pink roses, and I still need them to be in this room in order me to take some photos for my website. Until then I cannot put them away, so instead I pile them in a stylish way in the corner so they act like a decor piece. My motto in this room: if you cannot store it, at least make it look stylish. So I'm leaving this artwork in this corner as well. They look stylish, and I still need to take some photos for my website, and when I do, I'm going to put them in the garage. My son left his office chair when he was moving out. It's very comfortable, but I don't like the black color. So my next project is to color it using chalk paint. I already produced this sample. One side is the light side is the chalk paint, and the other side is fabric medium with acrylic paint. Chalk paint feels a lot smoother, so I'm definitely going to color it. If you want me to do a video about it and let you know how it goes, please let me know in the comments below. I purged and sorted out the book section as well, and it looks a lot neater and dust free. These IKEA Besta cabinets provided me a lot of storage in this craft room. As soon as my son moved out, I installed these cabinets to store my many DIY projects components. And of course it also provides me storage for my small artwork as well as my art books. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and found it inspirational. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And now for me, it's time to chill, and until next time, bye bye.